Now, again, I like the sides here that we get on here with the stainless steel. It looks good. Looks good when you first get it, but as soon as you start adding... Woo! What up, y'all? It's your boy CKid here, man. I'm back with another video for y'all, and today y'all already know what time it is. It is finally Apple season. Now, I got two of Apple's latest smartphones that came out this year, and this is the iPhone 13 Pro, and I got it in the Sierra Blue, and then I also got the iPhone 13 in the product red. Now, the reason why I picked up the product red is you probably like, well, CKid, they been had a product red, but honestly, man, I ain't never checked out a product red, so I was like, why not pick one up, show it off to y'all, man? So that's what we're gonna do in today's video. I'm gonna unbox this bad boy, just kind of let y'all know my first impression, and then also, hold up, I want to compare it to this too. I want to compare it to the OG. This is the true OG iPhone, man. This is the iPhone XS Max. I've been rocking this bad boy for years now, and I'm curious to see how big this phone is in comparison to the brand new iPhone 13 Pro models. Now, I also got a bunch of other stuff that's gonna be coming on the channel y'all way, man. I got the brand new iPad mini as well. I got a crazy amount of cases that I picked up for it. Also got some cases here, iPad mini as well. So we got a lot of stuff, man, and content that's gonna be coming y'all way. Y'all already know I'm gonna be doing 24 hours with this bad boy as well. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. Let's go. Today here I have two of Apple's newest iPhones that just hit the market. Now we have here the iPhone in the Sierra Blue. Now this is Apple's brand new colorway. This here is the iPhone 13 Pro that I picked up. And then we also have the iPhone 13 that I picked up in the product red. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox both of these phones right here for you guys. And then later on, I'm gonna be doing a video where I'm gonna be showcasing, setting it up, showing you guys some of the tips and tricks when it comes to these two phones right here. Then later on in this video, I'm gonna be comparing it to the iPhone XS Max that I have right here, because I'm real curious to see size-wise, how does it actually fare up to what I've been rocking here for a long time now. So let's go ahead and get these bad boys unboxed and show you guys. So the first thing I wanna start off with before we actually get into this one, because this is the one that I'm really hyped for, but I wanna show you guys the product red in the iPhone 13. So let's go ahead and take this bad boy off here. Apple comes with a nice pull tabs, real simple, man. You ain't gotta do all of that craziness when it comes to unboxing these bad boys. All right, so here is the product red. Now this is a color I've never experienced before, but I gotta say, dang, this mug give me candy apple vibes, man. Like, I'm loving the look of this phone, man, that you get. Looks real good, but let's go ahead and sit this off right here for now. And then we also, obviously, you're gonna get the cable and everything like that in the box. Y'all already know what that is. Now, what's dope about the product red that I noticed is that instead of getting the typical like white paper, you do get the product red here that you guys can see here. Just gives you a little bit more information about that. Also get your SIM injection tray, but you don't get the red Apple sticker, which not a big deal for me. I know people go crazy over the Apple stickers, but not that big deal for me. But this is why we came here, which is the iPhone 13 in the red color. Now you also have like the aluminum red on the outside of it. Now I actually personally like this model best because the outside is not that stainless steel, and that's what we get on the iPhone 13 Pro that I'm going to show you here in a second. But let's go ahead and take this off so we can see that black on that red. Oh man, that looks super freaking fire though. But yeah, man, we're gonna go ahead and power this. Now I'm gonna power this on, but I'm gonna power it on in a separate video because I have another video that I'm gonna be shooting where I kind of need to show a lot of the intro for this phone right here when I'm actually getting it all set up. But yeah, man, this is the product red that you guys can see right here in its full glory. Again, the difference is with this phone versus this one is you do get an outside aluminum edge instead of the stainless steel that's going to collect crazy amounts of fingerprints like you get on the other one. So let's go ahead and compare it side by side to my iPhone XS Max. And you can see right here that the iPhone XS Max is definitely slightly larger than the iPhone 13 that we see right here. So if I stack these on top of each other, you can kind of see it's even slimmer too from the iPhone XS Max as well. You can see here we got a nice little edge that we can add here, and then we also got more room here at the top. So it definitely is a slimmer and much smaller phone, and I also like how light it is too. So that's hey man, that's kind of a win. All right, so let's go ahead and sit this one down right here, and let's go ahead and unbox the next one, which is going to be the iPhone 13 Pro. Now this is the one that's 9 times out of 10 going to be my daily driver that I'm going to be using here testing it out and different things like that. So let's go ahead and take this off. Now this is Apple's brand new Sierra Mist, or Sierra Blue color that they have. I'm about to call it Sierra Mist, but Sierra Blue color that we got right here. And I ain't even gonna lie, y'all, I'm digging this color right here. It's giving me like ocean blue, but kind of like a gray in it as well. Now, again, I like the sides here that we get on here with the stainless steel. It looks good. Looks good when you first get it, but as soon as you start adding fingerprints to it, I ain't even gonna lie. Man, I wish they would have kind of went with the aluminum edge that we get on the iPhone 13 instead of kind of like a stainless steel. But y'all already know how Apple got to do. Apple always got to make something like extra premium to make you want to actually get it. So that was I'm sure that was their intent behind that. So this is the iPhone 13 Pro that we get right here. It looks really good, man. You can see the bigger camera bumps from there to the iPhone 13. You can see the camera bump is definitely much larger for sure. But again, you get much more functionality and features out of the Pro than you do in the 13. But we're gonna talk about that in a later video for sure. But all in all, man, I'm liking the look of it. You got your speaker grills here at the bottom as well. You also got your volume rockers here on the side. Along with your mute button and power button here on the side. But I ain't gonna lie, man, it's been a minute since I had a new iPhone as far as upgrading from my iPhone XS Max that I've been rocking here. So let's go ahead and put these side by side, and you can see here it is definitely taller for sure on the iPhone XS Max. Now, if I go ahead and stack these on top of each other, I'm curious to see how much wider this phone is. So it's a little wider and taller, pretty much the exact same that we get on the iPhone 13. But yeah, I think I'm digging the size of this one more so carrying this big old iPhone XS Max here, because yeah, I'm kind of over that. So but yeah, nonetheless, man, this is the iPhone 13 Pro, and then we also have the iPhone 13 right here. Yeah, let me know down in the comment section below. I got some cases and everything as well that I'm going to be unboxing for you guys, but just wanted to do this quick video showing you guys the iPhone 13 as well as the iPhone 13 Pro, and letting you guys decide which color y'all think looks best. So let me know down in the comment section below. Otherwise, I'll see y'all in the next one. Squad.